In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show Slack in Microsoft Project. Slack, also called float, tells you how much a task can slip before it affects the next task or pushes your project finish. Seeing it clearly helps you protect deadlines, prioritize work, and spot risk early. Let's start by making Slack visible right on the Gantt chart, which is the view most people use. With your project open in the Gantt chart view, go to the ribbon and open the Format tab. In the Bar Styles group, turn on the option labeled Slack or Float. Thin lines will extend from each taskbar, showing how much wiggle room you have. What you're seeing here is free Slack by default. That's the amount of time a task can move without delaying its immediate successor. It's a quick, visual way to judge where you have flexibility and where you don't. If you want exact numbers instead of just lines, switch to the Detail Gantt view. Go to View, choose Other Views, then More Views, select Detail Gantt, and click Apply. Now, to see the Slack fields in a table, open View again, choose Tables, and select Schedule. You'll notice the Free Slack and Total Slack columns. Free Slack shows how long a task can slip before it delays any successor. Total Slack shows how long it can slip before it delays the overall project finish. These values are typically in days, and they update as your schedule changes. A value of 0 means the task is on the critical path and has no room to move. Negative Slack signals that the current dates and constraints can't be met without reworking logic, shifting dates, or adjusting resources. If you prefer to stay in your regular Gantt chart view, you can still display these numbers. Right-click any column header, choose Insert Column, and add Free Slack or Total Slack. With those columns visible, you can quickly scan for tasks with little or no float, and you can sort or filter to focus on areas that need attention. This is especially helpful before status meetings or when planning what work can safely slip. To recap, use the Format tab to show Slack lines for a fast visual check, switch to Detail Gantt with the Schedule table when you need precise values, and insert the Free Slack and Total Slack columns into any Gantt view for flexible analysis. With these tools, you'll understand your schedule's breathing room and keep your project on track with confidence.